Hey guys, I'm kind of in a hurry trying to get out the door, but I wanted to show you how I make my power drink mix every single day. I love it. It makes me feel full long. It only takes me 5 minutes and I'm out the door. So this is what you're going to need. The power drink mix, a tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of organic peanut butter, 1 scoop of vegan protein powder, 1 cup of spinach or kale mix, a cup and a half of ice water, and a half a cup of nut milk or any kind of non-dairy milk. Okay, now that you know what you need, all you're going to do is mix everything in the blender. I start with my ice water, the nut milk or non-dairy milk, put in the kale, spinach, mix, whatever you want to use. I always add the vegan chocolate protein powder. Here's the coconut oil. I like the unrefined coconut oil because I like the taste of the coconut. And the organic peanut butter. I'm going to link all of the ingredients that I use below. So if you want to use the exact same ones I use, everything will be below. And then I use 2 scoops of the mix. I love this because I'm always on the go. So if you're just like me, this is perfect. If you're working, busy, got kids, I don't feel like I have to waste time cooking in the kitchen and just blend it all together. That's it. That's how easy it is. I'm just going to put it in the same cup that I had the nut milk in. Sometimes I put it in like a little to-go protein shaker, and it makes about that much, a little extra. And that's it. That's all that I eat for my first meal. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys come across any recipes using the power drink mix that you really love, share them. Leave it in a comment below.